Good morning. Welcome back to our Croatian homestead. The heavens have opened and we have finally rain. I was in the garden picking the last beetroot that we didn't manage to pick last night. That's what we got. That's what we picked last night. And it's just a thunderstorm started and it's opened up and it started raining. Really glad about the rain. We have finished watering everything last night. But hey, I'm not saying no to the rain. We really needed this. I have managed to pick the last beetroot. I'm all wet, but hey, that's okay. We can go now and clean it up, get it ready for storage and for preservation. Also, we picked the beans last night, which is great. They're nice and dry. I can sort them out. And I'm really glad that we finished with the excavator yesterday, just before the rain. Couldn't ask for more, couldn't ask for better. I mean, this is perfect. This is what I've picked this morning. Wheelbarrow full. I've got to clean it up now. This is the beans from yesterday. So I've got a bit of work to do while it rains. I managed to get my hands on some elephant garlic. Some couple of nice big cloves. So that's gonna be planted in next month, I think, and hopefully I'll have some elephant garlic. Everyone says that it's not as garlically flavored as the other stuff, or as the other one, but hey, this is looking nice, and why not? I mean, we've got bigger ones, smaller ones, but that's all good. I mean, the heat we had this year, I'm glad we even have a garden happening. I really have to get my watering in for the next season. I have to make it a priority. I think we've got quite a few beetroot this year. Last year we had to buy beetroot for preserving it, but I reckon this year we'll have enough from our own. Last year I haven't had this many. Last year was a test trial. And the new beetroot that I planted, they're just popping up now. So if we get them, I think we'll have more than enough. So yeah, this year will be first year that we are preserving our own beetroot, which is great. I mean, it's only the second year that we are growing stuff. So really happy. We are getting there. I'm taking this garden as a 5-year project. Last year I was really late because I was in Australia. And the garden got really forced to be built, and it was quite small. I had no idea what I was doing. Everything was planted late, but we did have, I'm not saying we didn't have anything, we did have a nice yield. So, but I'm still not gonna count the last year as a year of the garden, so I'll count this year as being our first year gardening here. Yeah, and it's a 5-year plan, so hopefully full. And by the end of the 5th year, I think I'll have enough garden space, all the watering system, hopefully a greenhouse, everything going where I know what I can produce, what I can't produce, what we like to eat, what we don't like to eat, when to plant stuff. And hopefully, you know, as the years go, we'll have extras that we can give away or sell. We'll see what happens. But I don't want to rush anything. I'm taking everything nice and easy. Small baby steps. I don't want to overwhelm myself and get sick of this or burnt out. So slowly. We'll get there. I actually did a live on my other channel and I was panicking and going, What do I talk about? What do I talk about? There's gonna be, you know, I was expecting 50 people to watch it. And I don't know whether I call it a stage fright or what to call it. I was panicking. I was like, what do I say? What do I say? What do I talk about? I ended up talking for about an hour. I think we had 500 people watching. That was something. I honestly never expected this many people to watch me. I never thought I'll be interested or interesting enough for other people to watch, but I guess I was wrong. But now I'm glad I did it and I have done it. I think I feel a little bit more comfortable talking now, which is good. So this was quite a good experience, a new experience, a learning experience. But talking in front of a live audience somewhere, holding a talk, I don't know, in front of a few hundred people, not with a camera, obviously, in front of me, really in front of real people. I mean, a live audience, or you know what I mean. I don't think I could still do it. I really don't. Talking, you know, to a couple of people, no problem, but I think to a live audience who came or who are coming to listen to me talk, I don't think I could do it yet. Oh my God, that's a lazy cat. This is what I've got. I have to admit, this year they're much smaller than last year. But hey, I wouldn't change these for any big ones shop bought. I'll take these anytime over those other ones. It rained for about 15-20 minutes and it stopped. It's still cloudy, but there was not enough rain. I'm happy that we have watered the garden last night. Was a good move. This is not enough rain. Got mud everywhere at the moment, but I don't want to be working in the mud. But I think till tonight, if this doesn't rain, this is gonna all dry out. This is just enough to cool off everything and make a little bit of mud. Now what I will do is go clean out my rabbits. That's on the roof, that's not muddy. And my neighbors have been asking me to come for days now to pick up some pears and nectarines. So I'm gonna go pick a bucket of them. Actually this morning the neighbor came and she said, are you gonna finally pick these? They're just gonna go to waste. Come on, pick some. So I'll go pick some now. To clean the rabbits, it's literally 5 minutes work. Just shovel that out and put new straw in, nice and easy. Pish, 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 pish. This is finished. I mean, only a few minutes. Every day I need to feed them and water them, and once a week I clean them up. 5-minute job, if that long. They're not a burden, they're nice and easy. The basket is ready. Let's go pick some fruit. I think there will be more rain. This is not all. So I'll go hurry up. So if this is not life and healthy living, I don't know what it is. Enough apples. Let's get some pears. Starting to rain, but okay. So yummy. It started to rain again. I'm all wet again, but that's okay. We do need the rain. I've got a basket full of fruit, healthy fruit, not sprayed. I think the rain is gonna stick around for the whole day, which is great. I'm gonna go and finish the video here. Thank you everyone for watching. Bit a different video. I was yapping a lot, but it is what it is. I'm gonna thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoy this video as well, and I hope to see you in the next one. And yes, I picked way too much. I'm gonna go share it with my friends now, because there's no need for the fruit to go to waste. I mean, there's a lot still gonna get wasted, but if we can save some and share around, spread the love, that's great. See you in the next video. Bye.